A home inspector must inspect the roof because any roof can leak, and it's required by the standards of practice. To inspect a roof that is inaccessible or that cannot be walked on safely, the inspector may use binoculars, look from other vantage points. You can use a drone, use an extendable non-conductive pole with a camera, or use a ladder to get to the roof's edge. If a home inspector can't see the roof covering, it's a good idea to disclaim that system in the inspection report. Describe it in the report as something that was not inspected, and it should be looked at by someone who can reach the roof at a later time. As a home inspector, you should inspect the roof covering and look for deteriorated or loosening of the flashing signs of damage to the roof covering material. Look for debris that can clog the valleys and the gutters. Carefully look at the home's exterior walls and the trim for deterioration that may be developing beneath the eaves of sloped roofs, especially when there are no overhangs or gutters. Unlike this roof, has an overhang and a gutter system. Roofs are designed to be water resistant. Roofs are not designed to be waterproof. Eventually, the roof system will leak. No one can predict when, where, or how a roof will leak. The home inspector should describe the type of roof covering materials in the inspection report, and the inspector should report as in need of correction any observed indications of active roof leaks.